So we have this very interesting algebra question with us today. So let's see how we can solve this question. We are given x and y are positive real numbers, and we are given this one equation in terms of x and y. Okay. And what do we need to do? We need to find the value of this expression. So I will start with this first equation. I will be rewriting this equation. What I will do, I will rewrite it as 1 upon x plus y is equals to y minus x upon xy. I took the LCM. Now I will simplify this further and get xy equals to y minus x times y plus x. Instead of writing it as x plus y, I wrote it y plus x. Now, do you remember one algebraic identity? A plus b times a minus b. So a plus b times a minus b. This is a square minus b square. You remember this algebraic identity? I will be using this. Xy is equals to y square minus x square. Okay. Now, after this step, what I will do? Let's see. After this step, I will be squaring both the sides, left side and right side, both of them. Okay. On the left hand side, I will get x square, y square. On the right hand side, I will get y square whole square plus x square whole square plus 2 times, sorry, not plus, this will be negative 2 times x square times y square. Now here I have used one algebraic identity, a minus b whole square, which is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So I use this algebraic identity. If I simplify this further, I will get x square y square is equals to y raised to power 4 plus x raised to power 4 minus 2x square y square. If I simplify this further, I will get y raised to power 4 plus x raised to power 4 is equals to 3x square y square. Correct? Now this step is very important. We will be using this later on. Let's see what to do in the next step. In the next step, we will be simplifying this expression to find its value. So if I simplify this, I will get x square plus y square upon xy whole square. Correct? If we simplify this further, we will get x square plus y square whole square upon x square y square. Correct? Further, we will be using one algebraic identity, a plus b whole square. If we use that, we will get x raised to power 4 plus y raised to power 4 plus 2x square y square upon x square y square. Now what we will do, we will be replacing x raised to power 4 plus y raised to power 4 with this value. Yes, so let's replace this. If we replace this, we will get 3x square y square plus 2x square y square upon x square y square. If we simplify this further, we will be left with 5x square y square upon x square y square. So what will be the final answer for this expression? We can cancel out x square y square and we will be left with 5. So 5 will be our final answer. The value of this expression, given in the question is 5. This will be our final answer.